Hari Om and Namaste, dear friends. Welcome back to the fifth video of our Yoga at Home series. Find a comfortable space and prepare yourself for practice. Moving to cat and cow pose. Inhale, arch on your back. With exhale, hunch on your back. Slowly come to tabletop pose. Tuck your toes in. Lift your both knees up. Engage your core. Keep your back straight and balance here. Hold there for some seconds. Straight your both knees. Come to upper plank. With exhale, come to Chaturanga. With inhale, come to Urdhva Mukha upward facing dog. With exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale upward. With exhale, downward. Inhale, plank. Core tight. Hold there. With exhale, come to Chaturanga. With inhale, come to upward facing dog. With exhale, come to downward facing dog. Lift your right leg up with inhale. With exhale, bring your right leg knee, touch to your right hand elbow. Now your left hand elbow, straight your right leg knee left side. Hold for a moment. Bring your right leg back, drop your right leg down, come to downward facing dog. Lift your left leg up, touch your left leg knee, left hand elbow, your right hand elbow. Straight your knee, hold for a moment. Bring your left leg back, drop your leg down, lift your right leg up again. Bring your right leg between your both hands up. Hold in warrior A. With exhale, come to warrior B. Drop your right hand outside your right leg. Come in Parsvakonasana. Drop your left hand down, take your right leg back. With exhale, come in downward facing dog. With inhale, lift your left leg up. Bring your left leg front between your both hands. Come in warrior A. Now with exhale, come to warrior B. Drop your left hand down outside your left leg. Come in Parsvakonasana. With exhale, drop your right hand down. Come in plank. Place your right hand middle of your mat. Lift your left hand up. Balance there. Hold there. Now take your left hand behind your back. Back straight. Side plank. Left hand up. Look up towards ceiling or look at your thumb. Drop your left hand down in middle of your mat. Right hand straight. Hold there and balance there. Right hand behind your back. Side plank. Lift your right hand up. Look at your thumb. Hold there for some moment. Drop your right hand down. With exhale, come in mountain. Rest there for some seconds. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Now gently with inhale, lift your right leg up. Drop your right leg left side. Arch on your back. Lift your right hand up and hold. With exhale and gently drop your right hand down and come in wheel pose, Chakrasana. From Chakrasana, with exhale, come in mountain. Drop your knees down. Rest in child pose for some seconds. Now from child pose again, come to mountain. Lift your left leg. Drop your left leg. Right side, arch on your back. Come in Chakrasana, wheel pose. Hold for some movements in Chakrasana. From Chakrasana again, come back in mountain. Now bend your both knees and jump front. Come in Bakasana. It's help you to strengthen your wrist, your forearms. Again gently jump back in Chaturanga. Inhale Urdhva Mukha. With exhale Adho Mukha. Bring your left leg front. Place it on your left hand elbow. Come in Kondanyasana. Take your left leg back. Jump back in Chaturanga. Inhale Urdhva Mukha. Exhale Adho Mukha. Bend your both knees. Jump front between your both hands. Come in L-sit. Drop your hips down. Lay down on your back. Gently lift your both legs up 90. Take the support of your hand and lift your back also. Come in Sarvangasana. With exhale, gently drop your both toes down. Knee remains straight and come in Halasana. Take the support of your hand on your back Drop your leg one by one down. Come in bridge pose, Setu Bandhasa. With exhale, drop your both hands down. Straight your both legs. Now arch on your back. Touch your crown of the head on your mat. Lift your both hands up. Lift your both legs up. Come in Uttan Padasana. Hold there for some moments. Drop your leg down. Drop your hands down. Straight your back. Rest in Savasana. Savasana encourage mindfulness and a deeper connection to your body and mind. It's allow deep physical and mental relax. Turn to left side of your body. Take the support of your right hand and sit in simple crossed leg. Eyes closed. Roll your shoulder back. Make a chin mudra. Focus on your breath. Prepare yourself for pranayama. First practice Anulom and Vilom. Inhale from your left nostril, exhale from your right. Inhale from your right nostril, exhale from your left. You can do this practice 10 times. If you want to do more, you can do more. Now, next practice Bhramri Vikasan Mukhi Mudra. Inhale normal, with exhale make a humming bee sound. Do this practice for 5 times. If you want to do more, you can do it more times, as much as you can. Drop your both hands down. Feel the calmness, feel the mindfulness of Bhramri. Gently join your hands, bow down to your God, your parents, Mother Earth. With inhale, slowly come up. Gently rub your palm. Place both palms on your eyes. Bring your both hands in front of your chest. Hari Om. We will meet again next week with a new practice. Until then, let this be your